Welcome to our channel. If you need to download Uber Eats receipts for expense tracking or reimbursement, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Open the Uber Eats app on your smartphone or go to ubereats.com and log in to your account. Step 2. Tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner and select Orders to view your order history. Step 3. Find the order for which you need a receipt and tap on it to open the order details page. Step 4. Scroll down to find the receipt section with a complete breakdown of your order including items, fees, and total cost. Step 5. Tap on Email Receipt or Download Receipt to receive a PDF copy of your receipt. Step 6. If using email, check your inbox for the receipt email from Uber Eats and download the attached PDF. Step 7. For bulk receipt downloads, log in to your Uber account on a computer, go to Payment, and then Payment History to access all receipts. Step 8. You can also access receipts through the original order confirmation email sent when your order was delivered. Step 9. Save receipts to an organized folder on your device or cloud storage for easy access during tax time or expense reporting. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.